I've been in the car game, I've been in the car game, not the fan game.
It's a bit different when you've gone down view, not the other view.
Oh, my phone's just died.
On the window. Oh, there.
Oh, you have to pull forward, put your arms out and yank. You have to avoid the pink things, but get all of the starry things. If you jump, you'll go faster. You avoid the pink things and go through the stars, as many stars as you can. Collect the stars and then jump to go faster.
Oh, Tommy's not doing too bad. Dodge that shit, Tommy, dodge it. Yes, Tommy, dodge, yes!
He said that a few times.
Yeah, only because he didn't want to get it in the face.
This is stupid games.
You have to jump a bit to make it go faster.
Jump, jump!
Stupid.
Like a girl, like that, yes.
Now jump, Tommy, jump! You don't jump quick enough.
Yeah, but this is fucking stupid games.
Jump!
Pretend you're skipping.
Jump! Yes, you made that one!
Duck.
Please.
Jump, jump, jump. Oh. How many points did he get?